Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I'm going to show you on any Toyota, Lexus, Scion if they have the electronic parking brake. I'm going to show you how to put it on service mode. Okay, this process is going to be really simple. You don't need the scan tool. You don't need to open the motor and do it manually. You can do it on your vehicle inside. I'm going to show you step by step, really easy in case that you need to replace the brakes. And these vehicles, Toyotas, they're not complicated. They do this service so you can do it yourself. You can do it on your own. You don't need a scan tool. You just need to go into your vehicle, leave the door open, and process is very simple. You have to turn the key, if you have a key, or push start button into the on position. Press it twice. Vehicle is on. First step, vehicle is on the on position. Press the brake and remove your parking brake. Turn it off. Turn off the car or the switch off now. Now that you did that, turn the vehicle on the on position. Don't turn on the car. Press on the brake and then you're gonna pull 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then press it down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. After the third time, hold it, and that's gonna put the brakes on service mode. Okay, as you can see, when I was pressing it down, I removed my foot from the brake pedal, and this is flashing now and start unwinding the motor on your rear brakes. And now that it's flashing, in the screen is gonna be flashing too. That put the piston all the way to the back, is in service mode. Now you can turn off the switch. Okay, now it's off. Now that you don't have the brake on, it's on service mode, the motor just push the piston all the way to the back. Now you have to treat your brakes like regular brakes. You have to remove these 2 bolts, right here, one in there. Disconnect your motor from here, and then you can start servicing your brakes like regular brakes. You're gonna have to remove the pins, lubricate your pins. You have to remove the caliper. Press down your caliper like regular, like you do the brakes. And once you put your brakes and do the whole installation, you're good to go. You can now go back to the vehicle. Turn the car on the on position. Your vehicle is gonna keep flashing on the park. Same here. Press on the brake and then pull on your brake. And if you can hear it, it's coming back. As you can hear, the piston was coming back to a regular position, but it stays off. So that's why you can hear it coming back and then coming out a little bit, because the parking brake is off. Now, without pressing the brake, pull it on and it's on. And now you can service your vehicle this way without scan tools, without any complications. But if it doesn't happen the first time, what you need to do, turn off your vehicle and do this process again, because this system is really finicky and sometimes it doesn't want to do it. But this is the way to put the rear brakes on your Toyota on service mode. Really simple, really easy. You don't need any scan tools for this. Okay guys, so this is the way to put the rear brakes on your Toyota on service mode. You don't need tools, you don't need the scan tools, you don't need to do anything else but do that. Once you're done with the brakes and you put your vehicle down, turn the car on, put it on drive or reverse to see if it stays on automatic. If it doesn't stay on automatic, because if before you have it on automatic mode, that means that when you pull the lever, it's gonna automatic disengage the brakes. If it doesn't do it, just hold it up 5 seconds, pressing on the brake, and that's gonna put it on automatic on. If you don't wanna have it on automatic on, what you have to do, press the brake and push the brake, parking brake lever down for 5 seconds, and it's gonna disengage. Super simple, super easy. But before you start driving, just test your system, making sure that everything is right once you replace your brakes. Okay guys, so I'll leave you with that. Really simple to put the brakes on service mode if you need to do it. Brakes on your Toyota Lexus Scion. I hope you like this episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.